I'm Azevedo. I'm a system design specialist with Ayers Basement Systems, and I've been here almost 7 years now. So as a system design specialist, I am the first person that a potential customer or client would meet and help them assess what's going on in their home, figure out how we can help, show them solutions and work through things with them, and then ultimately potentially help them with a project that is going to make their home healthy, dry, and just a more comfortable place to live. I have production experience, so I have worked in the production department here at Ayers almost 6 years, and then recently moved into the design specialist role. So not only have I helped actually install materials, I've helped train other people to do the same thing. So I have a pretty well-rounded understanding of all of what we do and how it can help benefit homeowners. I enjoy getting to meet new people every day. It's always nice to meet a new face and be able to help that person. We're going to be able to provide them with solutions and systems and things that will help make their home more comfortable, healthier, and certainly drier. And getting to be a part of that and help them understand exactly what they can have again in their own house is pretty rewarding. So I was in a home not too long ago that had 8.5 inches of standing water in it. Fully finished basement, and we were able to help that customer understand what the real cause of the problem was, so where it was coming from, and address the root cause to make sure that entire space would be able to be finished again, and make sure that them and their kids and their family could come over and enjoy that space again. And when you can give that back to someone who's been through that kind of an experience, it's pretty awesome. So my wife, Kayla, and I have a little 2.5-year-old named Scarlett. She's an amazing little girl. We have a dog named Knuckles, who's a boxer, and a cat named Gruff, and we even have a snake. And I love the Detroit Tigers. We're planning on taking a family trip to go see the Tigers with our 2-year-old this summer, so looking forward to that.